Are you ready to elevate your makeup game and unleash your inner celebrity? In this captivating video, we are presenting a step-by-step guide on how women can achieve flawless makeup looks inspired by the hottest celebrity and model trends. This video will demonstrate techniques and share valuable tips to help you master the art of professional makeup application. From achieving a radiant complexion to perfecting the sculpted cheekbones, this tutorial covers it all. Say goodbye to makeup mishaps and hello to red carpet-worthy looks. Watch the video till the end as it's packed with insider tricks and techniques which will make you get ready to turn heads wherever you go. Ever wondered how celebrities always have perfect makeup? Today, we reveal the secrets behind those flawless looks. Stars seem to defy the laws of nature with their impeccable makeup, don't they? But there is no magic wand involved, just a blend of skill, knowledge, and the right products. The world of celebrity makeup is a fascinating one, steeped in techniques honed over years and secrets passed down from makeup artists to the stars themselves. It's not just about applying on some foundation and lipstick. It's about understanding your skin, knowing what works for you, and using quality products that enhance your natural beauty. A crucial part of this journey is good skincare. It forms the base for any makeup look and is often the unsung hero behind those jaw-dropping, camera-ready faces. Ready for the journey to a star-studded look? Buckle up as we dive into the first step. A great masterpiece starts with a perfect canvas. And for us, that canvas is our skin. Just like how artists prime their canvas before painting, it's vital to prepare our skin before applying makeup. This process is a non-negotiable step in achieving a flawless finish. Let's start with skincare. Makeup can only do so much if your skin isn't well taken care of. So, begin with a thorough cleansing to remove any oil or dirt. Follow this up with a toner to balance your skin's pH levels and close up pores. Finally, moisturize to keep your skin hydrated and radiant. Remember, healthy skin is always in. Next, we have the primer. Think of it as a bridge between your skincare and makeup. A good primer smoothens your skin, fills in pores, and creates an even base for your makeup to stick to. It's the secret ingredient to makeup that looks fresh all day. With a well-prepared face, we are ready to move on to the next step. Foundation isn't just a product, it's the very groundwork of a flawless makeup look. It's the canvas upon which all other elements of your makeup will reside. So, it's crucial to get it right. Choosing the right shade of foundation is the first step towards perfection. You want it to blend seamlessly with your natural skin tone, neither too light nor too dark. It's about enhancing your natural beauty, not masking it. Once you have found your perfect shade, it's all about the application. Techniques can vary, but the goal remains the same, a smooth, even finish. Beauty blenders have revolutionized this process, allowing for a more uniform application. Dampen the blender slightly. Dab it into your foundation, and then apply to the face using a bouncing motion. This method ensures your foundation blends seamlessly into your skin, giving you that flawless canvas. Now that we have laid the groundwork, it's time to add some depth and dimension. Welcome to the transformative world of contouring. This is where the magic happens, where we sculpt, define, and enhance our natural features, making them stand out in the most flattering way. Contouring is the art of using shadows and highlights to shape the face, to create an illusion of a more defined facial structure. It's like a real-life Photoshop where we play with light and dark shades to emphasize our best features and soften the less flattering ones. There's a plethora of contouring products out there. From powders to creams, sticks to palettes, the choice is yours. But remember, it's not just about the product, it's about the technique. When applying, think about where shadows naturally fall on your face. Your cheekbones, your jawline, The sides of your nose. These are the areas we aim to define with contouring. With our features defined, let's bring some color to the picture. Now, let's paint our canvas with some vibrant shades. In the world of makeup, blush, highlighter, and bronzer are the trio that brings life to your face. They add depth, warmth, and a radiant glow, creating a look that's as dazzling as those of your favorite celebrities and models. First, let's talk about blush. Blush is the cherry on top of your makeup cake. It adds that natural flush to your cheeks, making you look fresh and youthful. Apply it on the apples of your cheeks and blend it upwards towards your temples. Remember, the key is to keep it subtle. You're aiming for a healthy glow, not a clown face. Now onto the highlighter, the magic wand that gives you an instant glow up. It's all about enhancing the high points of your face. Swipe it on your cheekbones, the tip of your nose, the inner corners of your eyes, and your cupid's bow. The result? A luminous, dewy finish that makes your skin look like it's lit from within. Last but not least, we have the bronzer, the secret weapon for that sun-kissed look. Apply it to the areas where the sun naturally hits your face, your forehead, cheekbones, and jawline. This will add warmth to your complexion and make you look like you have just returned from a tropical vacation. But remember, the secret to a flawless makeup look lies in blending. Blending is the magic trick that makes the lines between your blush, bronzer, and highlighter disappear, creating a seamless transition. It's what makes your makeup look natural, not painted on. And, of course, choosing the right shades for your skin tone is essential. If you're fair-skinned, go for cool, light shades. If you're medium to olive-skinned, opt for warm, medium shades. And if you're dark-skinned, rich, deep tones will look stunning on you. And there we have it, a celebrity-worthy makeup look that you can recreate at home. To ensure our masterpiece lasts, we need one final touch. We have built our canvas, painted it with perfection, and blazed it with brightness. Yet, all these efforts could be in vain without the crucial step of setting the look. It's like creating a beautiful painting and forgetting to frame it. The setting process ensures that all the hard work we have put into our makeup stays put, looking fresh and vibrant for hours. Imagine the setting spray or powder as the magical sealant that locks everything in place. It prevents our makeup from smudging, smearing, or fading away, keeping our glamorous look intact through the day or night. It's the unsung hero of our makeup routine, the final guard that stands between our masterpiece and the elements. This step is as important as any other, so never skip it. A spritz here, a dusting there, and we're all set, literally. And voila! You have unlocked the secret to celebrity makeup. Until next time, keep shining and stay fabulous. Don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and share it in your social circle. Lastly, press the subscribe button along with notification bell to get notified of the new upcoming video. Thank you for watching. Have a great time.